Let's talk about equations. An equation is a mathematical sentence that uses an equal sign to indicate that two expressions represent the same number or value. To solve an equation, we must isolate the variable. To get the variable by itself, first perform the distributive property to eliminate parentheses or other grouping symbols. Second, combine like terms. Third, add or subtract. Fourth, multiply or divide to isolate the variable. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!